So in love with you, you just hug me and give me warmth. It could took away your pain and you let me feel so safe and peacefully calm. Dark run away, season cold again when you are around. Your voice is near, right beside my ears, and I'll fall asleep again into your dusk and soothe my dark. To glow it out, I see the blue of your flowers inside your heart, and stars held by your eyes bring me to blue sky, and you hold me by your side in a dream of me. You're the town of my dark and the place of my grief.
You know, when this long night will fade away and we go back to our old ways, two perfect strangers in disguise. When the sun is going to stretch its arms on the world, turn us again with his shrill call into perfect strangers in disguise. But until then, forget that crazy world. Yeah, until then, no need to say a word. We'll do our best to keep the sunlight from melting down the night. Plugging this room is finally right for having a last bite. This town will start again. He's crazy, right? An ideal place for us to hide. Two perfect strangers in disguise. The sharp grin of everyday life, wearing our armors cold as ice. Two perfect strangers in disguise. But until then, forget our crazy world. Yeah, until then, no need to say a word. We'll do our best to keep the sunlight from melting down the night. Plucking this fruit that's finally ripe for taking that last bite.
We could drive along an ocean reflecting the sun, or make a bed of green atop a wide open scene. Under a canvas of blue, I would draw ever nearer to you, to feel the dew on your skin. That is how it would begin. For summer is for falling in love. We could stay out late until the sun sets past 8, and the cotton candy haze near disregard the thought of ever having to part. For summer is for falling in love. It's 5:50 something and I feel so empty inside. The sun is going down, the sky is turning red. Sparkling clouds around, or do I just get drunk? Well, it doesn't matter as long as it looks warm. Maybe I'm better if just get alone. Maybe it's better if I can hide somewhere peaceful. No talk or laugh, just smile in the sunset until I realize I'm actually in pain. Sound of their love and their funny talk, it's getting so loud as I keep thinking of those moments I miss, the times where I don't have to think so deeply, where I don't have to understand what does life mean. Maybe I'm better if just get alone. Maybe it's better if I can hide somewhere peaceful. No talk or laugh, just smile in the sunset until I realize I'm actually in pain. It's not actually good to be alone by yourself. From what I've been hiding, it's better if you have someone you can speak to, even if it's only a thing you